Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and the day has finally come. Finally got my hands on a brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the unlocked version. I did pre-order this from Samsung, so this is going to be an official retail unboxing. If you happen to order yours from Samsung, this is exactly what you're going to see, and this is exactly what you're going to get in the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is going to be my very first impressions with this device. I have not seen it before this. I haven't even went into my local Best Buy store where they do have it on display to go see it. I wanted to save my first impressions for this video. And before we start, I just want to let you guys know that there is a giveaway going on for a brand new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra by our sponsors of this video, Subcase. Subcase actually makes some really great protective cases, which we will talk about in a bit. But make sure you pay attention to the video because I do have a secret code floating around somewhere. I don't know where exactly I'm going to put it yet in this video, but I do have a secret code that will get you an extra 100 entries for that giveaway to win a new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which we will talk about in a bit later on in the video. But let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. So got my little knife right here, nothing special. Let me go ahead and cut this open right here. Boom, let's cut the other side right here. Now it's usually just one sticker they have in the box. This time they put two, there we go. So here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see what this looks like. All right, and the first thing we are greeted with is the display itself. Let me go ahead and take the phone out and let's look at this color. I have never seen this color in person yet. Woo! Let's take off the sticker right here. There we go. Let's take off the display sticker. I don't think this is the screen protector. Nope. This is another plastic we got on top right there. Throw that to the side. And oh my goodness, look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. This is my first time ever seeing this color in person. It looks beautiful. This is the Mystic Bronze color. And yeah, all the videos I've seen, nobody was lying about this camera hump in the back. It is definitely there. It is very big. But my goodness, this looks absolutely beautiful. But we'll get right back to this in a little bit. Let's see what else comes in the box. Of course, we have this usual piece of cardboard, whatever that is. We got the charging brick, super fast charging. And then also we have the charging cable itself, USB Type-C on both ends. And that's it. No extra adapter, no headphones this time. With the Note 10 Plus, they did include USB Type-C headphones, and the box is totally empty. We don't see that at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push all this over to the side and take a look at this phone again because my goodness, this is beautiful. Now it looks like they put the S Pen on the left side this time rather than the right. So that's something I'm gonna have to find myself getting used to because I'm so used to just clicking this right side bottom, having that S Pen come out. Now I gotta make sure I'm clicking it on the left side, make sure that S Pen comes out just like that. And the S Pen itself is also that Mystic Bronze color. My goodness, it looks absolutely beautiful. No complaints at all whatsoever with the looks of this device. It looks like we do got a little bit more plastic around the edges. Let me go ahead and peel this plastic off real quick. Look at that. So nice kind of glossy finish around the sides. Just looking really, really beautiful. And that camera bump, even though this camera bump is massive, it still doesn't look bad at all. I actually really like the look of it. It looks really, really good. Not sure if you can see it there on camera. Kind of trying out a new setup today where I have two different viewpoints that I can show you guys. So hopefully it works out okay. Got my Note 10 Plus recording this B-roll that you guys are currently seeing right here. So y'all let me know how you like this format of video so far. Let me go ahead and power this on, see if it has any juice so far. And it looks like we got some juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this power up, throw my information in, and then we'll get more into it. All right, so I got my Note 20 Ultra all set up and ready to go, so we can go ahead and take a closer look at it. I also got my S20 Ultra out, so we can kind of compare the two as well. I would compare the Note 10 Plus as well, but I'm using that to record my B-roll. So first off, before we start this, let me give a huge thanks and shout out to our sponsors of this video, Subcase. If you are not familiar with who Subcase is, they are a case manufacturer who makes some great protective cases. I mean, I've done drop tests with these cases on many devices before, and they never disappoint. They always protect my devices very, very well, especially this Unicorn Beetle Pro here. This is really one of their most popular cases that they have to offer, and it always does a great job at protecting my devices. And I will be doing a review and drop test using this case and their new EXO case on the new Note 20 Ultra. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on that drop test, because you are definitely going to want to see, you are definitely going to want to see this drop test using these cases. Like I said, I've done it on many devices before, including my S20 Ultra, and my S20 Ultra still looks brand new. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And don't forget about the giveaway. Like I mentioned earlier, they're giving away a brand new Note 20 Ultra. Like I said, somewhere in this video is going to be a secret code to get you an extra 100 entries. So make sure you're paying attention for that. But yes, huge thanks and shout out to Cellcase for sponsoring this video. All right, so let's go ahead and push those to the side and take a closer look at the Note 20 Ultra. So the first thing I noticed after setting this all up and just kind of messing around with it is that 120 hertz actually came already on out of the box. I didn't actually have to go into settings and switch it to 120 hertz. Came out as Full HD 120 hertz, so you don't have to worry about doing that yourself unless you want to go into settings and put this at its fullest resolution, which some people most likely won't do. But people like myself, I actually like having it at max resolution, and I really wish that they would allow us to use 120 hertz with full resolution, but it still doesn't look like that is an option yet. But just looking at this display, it is absolutely beautiful. My goodness. And you can definitely tell that the bezels got smaller coming from the past Note 10 Plus. And then comparing it to my Galaxy S20 Ultra here, both beautiful looking displays. I mean, I say this in all my videos, Samsung always provides the best displays that you can get on a smartphone. So both displays look absolutely beautiful, but you can definitely tell a difference in the shape of the device as well. The Note 20 Ultra obviously has more of a squarish look to it compared to the more rounded off edges on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And then going to the back at the camera humps, the camera hump on the Note 20 Ultra definitely looks bigger than what we have on the S20 Ultra. You know, I thought the camera hump was big on the S20 Ultra, but for some reason, it is just bigger on the Note 20 Ultra. And honestly, I really don't understand why, because the S20 Ultra has 100 times zoom. The Note 20 Ultra has 50 times zoom, so it's not as much as the S20 Ultra, yet it has the bigger camera hump. So really don't know why that is there, but when it comes to looks, you can definitely tell a difference when it comes to the shape of the devices, the camera module, and then of course the display as well. There's less bezel on the Note 20 Ultra, and also that camera hole punch cutout is smaller than what we have on the S20 Ultra. But this isn't going to be a full comparison. I will save that for a separate video. So again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. But so far, first impressions, I am in love with the overall look of this device, especially the back. That nice matte frosted finish that we have in the back. It's not attracting any fingerprints at all whatsoever, as I can tell. And that's one thing I love about these matte finishes, is that you don't have to worry about constantly wiping them down if you decide not to use it with a case. Now, again, you are going to have to make sure you take care of that camera hump, because any little type of drop might break that. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not going to try it without a case. I do my drop tests only with cases to show just how protective they are, but I don't think I could ever do a drop test without a case. But this looks absolutely beautiful. Buttons pretty much in the same spot as we have on the S20 Ultra. No headphone jack. And again, that S Pen is on the left side. We got one speaker down at the bottom, a microphone, USB Type-C. We also got a microphone up top as well, and then the SIM card slot. And I believe you can also put a micro SD card in here as well. But overall, beautiful looking device. I did set up my fingerprint. Fingerprint sensor is working actually really fast. Look at that. I don't know if you can catch it on the camera right there. Boom. One more time. Boom, look how fast that is. So the fingerprint sensor on here, it has definitely improved, at least in my opinion. I don't know, maybe not, maybe it's just all in my head, but it's actually working really, really fast. So overall, first impressions of the new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm loving it so far. Again, these are just my first impressions. I'm gonna be doing tons of tests when it comes to this device, when it comes to performance, especially the cameras. You already know I am all about the camera, so definitely some camera tests coming as well. Battery test, I'll be doing my full-on battery drain test with this device as well to see if it can actually get me through a full day of very heavy usage or not. So definitely going to be putting this device to the test. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come with this beautiful device right here, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to check out our sponsors down in the description below and go enter that giveaway so you can possibly win yourself a brand new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And don't forget to find the secret code in this video. Did you find it? If you did, let me know down in the comment section below. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.